Okay. My wins today have been against low rated though, so I wonder if I can beat someone a bit higher rated on the 5 minute. Okay, it's one bit closer to my rating now, but I like that wing gambit as an experiment today, so I'll try it here. Because it seems d4, d5 is very attractive, especially bishop g4. Is it going to repeat bishop g4? Because we look to have a trap there as well with knight e5. This looks like great fun. Great fun. E takes, knight takes. There's queen d5 though there. Maybe g6. You know, maybe I'll just take on f6. Bishop b5 here. Or e5. Not sure e5 does anything. No, I think e5 is playing his hand, so I think try and get some pressure on the e-file. So I might be threatening knight b6 in the future. In fact, maybe after bishop d4 there'll be knight b6. It's a tactical threat. Is it worth actually playing now, bishop d4? Just to use that a file. Queen b1 is like Benko gambit almost. Queen b1. I'll play queen b2. Try and pin down that knight to g7. So queen b2. Okay. E4 looks a bit vulnerable, so I should really probably protect E4. Maybe queen B2 next. Queen B2. Right, strengthening E4. I could play knight B6 here. That looks kind of interesting. Just to suppress the B pawn, I think, if nothing else. Mind you, there's knight d7, queen b2 to try and discourage knight d7, I think, next. Then maybe rook c1, try and target the bishop on c8. Okay, time to get rid of that. I think slightly weaken the king. And put pressure on c8. It's going to come out to b5. Okay. Play knight c4 after. Taking on d7 is worth it here, or I'll just allow that. Play knight c4. Maybe knight e3 to g4 to h6. Or rook d1, knight f1 to e3 to g4. Okay. Right, get this knight e3 here. Right. So knight g4 here. Does that do anything? Ah, so if I take, we'll check king moves, then there's rook c8 and knight f7, knight g5. Knight h6, king moves to h7, rook c8, knight f7. I think that looks good. The Coulson sort of move, knight h6 to if7. So knight g5 might be queen g7 at some point for knight e6 if the queen was on those two squares. Okay, so knight g5 here. Right. Let's just get some air for the king for the moment. I'll support the knight. Mind you, b3 is looking dangerous. Rook b1. So rook b1 here. Just try and get a rook to the 8th rank. Mind you, rook d1 is like winning material. Okay. So queen c2 sets a trap. Rook c takes. Take on b6. I'll do that. Not just the trap. I'm threatening queen c8 anyway. So rook c3, I just take. So I'm attacking d3 and c8 now, which is embarrassing because the knight is not helpful for queen c8. So he's resigned. Yeah, rook c3 didn't play it out. Queen c3. Alright, someone over 2,000 for the first time today. So wing gambit. Yeah, that was interesting. I thought interesting game. So there was this mistake here, h5. That lost the key pawn. And I'm glad I didn't blunder horrifically with queen b4 because I think rook d1 wins the queen. Otherwise, if king moves, rook takes b1. So I avoided that, but actually this is a very good move. It's not just a trap. Threatening queen c8, threatening the rook. If rook c3 then takes. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.